Welcome to Cestrian Capital Research's YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about Ethereum, but first of all, please take a moment to read our disclaimer, which is on the screen right now. Okay, so Ethereum. Ethereum, as you know, is the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap. It's in a pretty interesting position right now, which is that it's had a huge run up, huge sell-off, and in our work at Cestrian, it looks to us like it may well have found a bottom and be moving up. And we want to talk to you about why that is. This will be a purely technical analysis, so we take no account here of reality of what might be going on in the metaverse or any changes to the way the blockchain works, purely a technical analysis. We use the Elliott wave and Fibonacci method, which we find works for us particularly well with highly emotive securities, and there's nothing more emotive than cryptocurrency, no reality to it, as you know. So Ethereum, from the COVID lows here, puts in a wave 1, a wave 2 down. It's too small to tell, but that wave 2 down troughs at the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement of the wave 1 up, which is a classic wave 2 reversal point, puts in a huge wave 3 up, a wave 4 down, and a wave 5 up that finishes just above the wave 3 high, and that's right at the end of last year, 2021, peaking right with all of the other growth stocks and indeed the Nasdaq and the S&P at large. So that 5 wave up cycle we can call a large degree wave 1, peaking right there in November 21. Then puts in a large degree wave 2 down, which is this move down here that troughed so far in the middle of June. And why that's interesting is for two reasons. One, first of all, it bottoms, as you can see, right around the 78.6 retrace of that wave 1 up. And remember, with the wave 2 down, this is a larger degree wave 2, that was a smaller degree wave 2. A wave 2 down, a 786 retrace is a very common reversal point. So that's one piece of evidence that Ethereum may have found a bottom at that June low. The other piece of evidence is that the so-called A equals C condition is satisfied. So very often with these wave diagrams, you'll see that a sell-off moves in three parts. A wave A down, that's that first part of the drop. A counter trend rally, a B move up. You'll see that called a dead cat bounce or a bear rally. And then a C down, which is this final down move. And more often than can be a coincidence, you'll see that the depth of the drop in the A wave can be equal to the depth of the drop in the C wave, and you'll see that referred to as an A equals C condition. And when that's satisfied, that's again a further piece of evidence that a bottom is in. And so Ethereum, you have two pieces of evidence that June low is the bottom. You have the 786 retrace on that larger degree wave 2 drop, and you have an A equals C condition satisfied. Since then, with other risk assets, Ethereum's rocketed up, showing some weakness in the last day or two. And so the question now is, can it continue to climb the ladder up in this large degree wave 3? If it can, and there's every chance that it can, then the bull target for Ethereum is pretty high. Just on a simple 100% extension of wave 1 basis, Ethereum could reach the 5700s. That's not a controversial target if this is a wave 3. And in fact, in a more bullish case, a wave 3 can very often peak at the 1.618 extension, and that would end up at in the 8700s, which sounds insane from these lows, but these are highly emotive assets. They make big moves on no particular fundamentals, save for sentiment. So that's our view on Ethereum. Cestrian Capital Research personal accounts hold long positions in the ETHE investment trust. That's the Grayscale Ethereum investment trust, ETHE. So we are long Ethereum, so you're aware. Thanks for listening, and we'll talk to you soon.